So I have here a replacement filter for our Frizzlife MK99 water filter. This is the whole cartridge and container and everything, which is the easiest way to change your water filter. You can buy just the filter that's inside this thing, but then you have to take this whole thing apart, use the wrench to tighten it back up. This is just the easiest way to do it. When you receive this in the mail, it's gonna be all packaged like this, wrapped up in this plastic. So of course, you're gonna wanna take that off. Then you're just left with this big canister. It says it filters out lead, chlorine, odor, and particles such as sand, silt, and rust from the water. There's a spot to write your install date on there as well, so that you know exactly when you changed it last. And they're super easy to change. You're just gonna twist the old one off and twist the new one on. Oh, a little bit of water. It filled up. So, just that easy. I am definitely not a plumber. Just screws off pretty easily, screws on pretty easily, and then it fills up automatically. Whenever you install a new filter, it's always a good idea to let it run for 3 to 5 minutes. That just gets all the air bubbles out. Make sure the new filter is completely saturated with water, and it'll just run more effectively that way. So here's the old filter. Looks like I installed it about 2 years ago, and it provided really good water for 2 years. So I'm really impressed. There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.